For the initial setup, you need to create a regular user first. You can create a new department or subsidiary here. Click on Add User. Provide the user's basic information. If the email gateway is configured, you can send out activation email notification. If the phone number is reachable, our SMS service will send the activation SMS. If you haven't sent the activation notification, you can find the initial login password here. Alternatively, you can import hierarchy and user information from third-party platforms, such as Lark, Windows AD, or Google LDAP. Select an identity source and fill in the related configuration. You can sync it manually, or set a schedule for automatic sync. Click on Start Syncing. You can find the sync records and results here. Then you will be able to see the synchronized organization and user information here. SealSuite also supports integration with various third-party authentication protocols, such as OIDC, CAS, and LDAP. Select an authentication source and follow the setup guide to fill in the required information. Once configured, users can log into SealSuite with their third-party credentials. For multi-factor authentication, SealSuite provides 4 verification methods: OTP, SMS, email, and push notification. You can select 2 methods, primary and alternative, and apply them to the following 3 scenarios: logging into SealSuite, connecting to VPN, viewing network access credentials. After configuration, when employees log in using either SealSuite or a third-party authentication source, they will be prompted for the secondary authentication. For notification setup, you can configure different channels for message delivery. You can set up an SMS service to send verification codes and notification messages. For SaaS deployments, SealSuite provides a built-in SMS service. For on-premises environments, you can select your preferred SMS provider and complete the setup by entering the corresponding service ID and secret key. You can also configure an enterprise email gateway and manage related email settings, including the SMTP server address, email password, and notification templates. In addition, you can integrate notification bots to receive system alerts from SealSuite. SealSuite currently supports integrations with Lark, Slack, DingTalk, and WeCom. Once the client is installed, verify your enterprise code to proceed. For SaaS, the enterprise code is part of your domain. For on-premises deployments, our team provides it when the license is created. Once your enterprise code is verified, you will be redirected to the user login page. Enter your account username and password to log in. If using the initial password, you will be required to reset it upon login. Our homepage provides quick links to predefined tools and application lists. You can also connect to selected VPN nodes from here. Use the Network tab to manage VPN, Wi-Fi, and wired connections. Go to the Security tab to access reports on antivirus and baseline scanning. Useful diagnostic tools are listed in the Lab section. Use the Network Diagnostics tool to quickly locate and resolve network problems. The Software section contains all applications assigned from the software library. The Help Center displays all FAQs set up by the admin, and you can also report issues along with client logs here. After successfully uploading the logs, you can download them from the Admin Center section under Enterprise Settings. Manage and review SealSuite settings here. Click to fetch the latest configuration immediately, which is typically updated every 5 minutes.